been doing for a long time.
Komiti mar od bura marango weche maoko ne odayo dho ji ang'wen mamoko nogwel ne lemo mag mbetre mag Kenya e pinje maoko. Penjo ne obedo maliet ne Fredrick Matwanga ka komiti ne dwaro ng'eyo weche moko mamiene ni ne ogwandore kod nyithinde kendo miyo gi kum maricho, gino manyiso ni oonge kod bedruok moro amora. Jakom komiti no miluongo ni Nelson Koech bende othung'o jogo mogwel ne lemo mar bedo jombetre mag Sweden kod Rome kod dwaro ng'eyo kaka inyalo ber lwasi mar limbe.
But in the year 2006, you got in trouble. Maybe, either you are being cruel to your son, or you are disciplining him, or you exhibited some level of cruelty to your son, and police were looking for you. You're only safe because of diplomatic immunity. What do you have to tell us about that? Do you feel like at one point you abused your immunity while working as a diplomat? And now that we're going to entrust you with a home mission as a head?
Yes, it was some punishment that I meted on my son, but it went beyond the boundaries, and that is how it got into the media. Yes, the police were involved.
This is not the time to be threatening those coming to Kenya. We agree the laws around the world impose limitations on the amount of good, but that should not be an excuse to threaten passengers or harass travelers or infringe on privacy of tourists. KRA should make it easy for passengers and travelers coming to Kenya to declare their luggage and where necessary pay duty before landing.